Hey, what's up, YouTube? Tony here with box number 2 of 2016 BenchWarmer Eclectic. Here in the front, you see some of the better cards that we got in from the first box. You guys know what's in it, 20 cards, but we actually got 25 in the first box. So let's go ahead and open this up. Wish me luck. And we get some 1 of 1 mojo again, huh? That's a Silgar's 1 of 1. It's a premium base card, 101. And the Sarah Underwood is numbered to 55. And there's one Sarah Underwood card per box. Alright. First, we got our box topper. And our box topper is Raquel Pomplin. Pretty cool. Raquel Pomplin, Playboy Playmate of the Year, 2014, I think. 14 or 13, I can't remember. So there is our box topper. And let's start with the Eclectic cards. We got Sid Wilder. Make sure it's focus. Sid Wilder, 1 out of 25. So a number card. Booyah. Pretty nice. And then we got these promo cards, which I'm not really a fan of these promo cards. This is a blue foil or parallel of Clinton controversies. No press conference held in over 275 days. Not really a fan that they put these cards in this product. Next, we got Aubrey Lemon. There's the back to that. We got Michelle Baina. There's the back to that. We got Anna Sophia Berglund. Booyah. And we got Melissa Risso or Riso. Cute. Alright, next let's go with this stack over here. We got the cards from past products. We got Kirsty Lingman from 2015 Signature Series. We got Mallory Mackey, also from Signature Series from 2015. And then we got Kirsten Lingman from 2010 Signature Series. And then we got Tiffany Toth from 2015 Signature Series. And we got Jessica Hall from 2012 Daisy Dukes. Okay, and then we got our premium base card, Athena Lundberg. There's the back to that. Booyah! Athena Lundberg. Green parallel base card. Pretty nice. We got some more cards. Yeah, see, that's what I didn't like about the Series 2 of this product. They give you the swatches from 2014, which is not what I wanted. But we got a swatch of Jessica Borsiaga, 2014. I think that's, I don't even know what part of that, of what she's wearing is this swatch from. Unless it's from the inside of her bra. Alright, so we got 2014 swatch. We got the minis. From the Daisy Dukes, we got Shanice Jordan. This is from 2016 Daisy Dukes. These are the premium cards that were turned into mini cards for this product. We got Kirsty Lingman. And we got Kennedy Summers. So we got 3. And then we got, let's see if I can get this other card out. Okay, we got the Thanksgiving cards. We got Claudia Jordan. Seems to be a little damaged, but no, it doesn't look like it's damaged because you can't feel anything. So Claudia Jordan. And there's the back to that. And we got Mallory Mackey. And there's the back to that. And then we got some more cards here. Let's hold these to the end. Man, they made it impossible to get these cards out of this. Really hard to get these cards out. Okay. We got the promo cards. We got Raquel Pomplin promo card. And there's the back to that. Then we got another Trump Under Fire, Trump University, called A Scam. It's like a foil card. And then another 2016. And then we got the Dream Girls, Jessica Hall. Promo card out of 18. And then we got another promo card, One Step Closer, Stacy Fuson. And then we got a premium card from Decision 2016 Hillary Rodham Clinton presidential premiums. So it's like a really thick card of Hillary Clinton. You know what I'm gonna do with these? I'm gonna sell these because I'm not gonna collect that stuff. And we did get an Eclectic Dairy Air, which in the first box we got one. And we got a good one. We got Tori Wilson 4 out of 4. We got the one from the Dream Girls, and this was the one that's in the Eclectic boxes. So there you have it. That was my 2016 box number 2 of Eclectic. Thanks for watching.